Hi there, I'm Nihad, and thank you for joining me on this video today. I'm going to just very quickly show you some of the amazing new features that we've added to our AI report writer to make it even better than what it previously was. And if you, like me, when you're a teacher, hated writing reports, then this is the video for you, because what we've now done with our AI report writer has made it even easier to write beautiful professional reports in seconds for whole classes, adding features that will enable you to get through that workload very, very quickly. Reducing teacher workload is our core mission here at Vibbl, and everything we create with a view of how is this going to reduce teachers' workload. And hopefully, from what you can see today, you can take this report writer in its current form and use it immediately within a couple of minutes of training yourself on it. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how it all works. I'm going to move my face out of the way. I'm going to click on this tool section here. So you can see we have an AI report writer, and we have a couple of other AI tools that we're currently developing at the moment within Vibbl. So I'm going to click on the AI report writer and open it up, and you can see I've got a really simple interface here where you can see school, subject, student, length, tone, and to create a report, all I've got to do is just choose whether I'm secondary, primary, or earlier. So I'm going to choose secondary. I'm going to choose the subject. So I have a range of different subjects here, including head teacher's comment if you are a head teacher. But I'm going to choose English. I'm going to put the student's name in. So let's just put Harry in. And choose how many sentences I want it to be. So let's go for 10. And I'm going to set it to formal instead of friendly. And then all I've got to do is talk a little bit about Harry and record my thoughts about Harry, and it'll use speech to text to create a report. Before I do that, I'm just going to show you this section over here. So we also have the ability for you to add a school logo, which will make your reports personalized to your school. And we can also add some report section headings. So here we've got effort and attitude, subject knowledge, classroom behavior. If you wanted to add another section like overall comments, I can add that at the bottom, and that will make the report have that extra section added in. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Harry. Harry is a lovely student who always tries hard in his English lessons. He has a good command of the English language and is currently working well in both reading, writing, and oracy. His reading ability has improved vastly over the last term. It's clear that he's reading for pleasure at home. His writing ability is improving steadily. He's doing lots of practice in the classroom and also completing good homework tasks around extending his range of vocabulary in his writing, and his oracy skills are still developing at the moment. To get even better in English, I would love to see Harry take part in more group discussions, but apart from that, he is coming along nicely and is on track to achieve his target grade at the end of the year. Okay, so I've just recorded a quick brain dump about Harry. I could actually just use this as my report if I want to, but let's just click submit and make something beautiful with the AI. So what the AI is now doing is it's taking that information about Harry that I've recorded, and it's going to make an extremely personalized report because I've given it a lot of information, and it's going to create that report over here on this right hand side. Once it's complete, I can click on it and I can see that this report has been completed. You can see it's created sections for each of these areas. Okay. Now, what I can actually do as well is if I click on the next report down, you can see this one doesn't have the overall comments because I hadn't had that section added in when I create this report for John. Okay, so you can see the difference between the two different reports there. I'm just going to close them down. And then what you can do, if you're happy with the report, you can click on copy, and then you can copy and paste it into your own report template if you want to. Alternatively, you can click download as a PDF, and this will download the report in this current style with your school logo in the top right, and it will also say the date that the report was written. So you could, in theory, just hand that directly to parents if that's okay. But if you want to use your own template, you can copy and paste it into there. We've even got the ability for you to select all, and you can download them all in one go. So you could essentially complete your whole class of school reports probably in less than half an hour using a tool like this. If you would like to see more, you can try out our free report writer, which will give you a taste of our report writer, and you can make 10 school reports for free, just trying us out, see what you think. And then if you want to upgrade to the more advanced version with some of these features, then you can just let us know and we can get that sorted for you. Hope this helps. And if you would like to speak with us, please do get in touch.